Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Meghalaya reports 64 new cases and 2 deaths. Nation marches towards vaccination of 100 crore people. India will play an important role in space to unite the world in the 21st century, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. BJP leader A.L. Hek appointed as the member of the BJP National Executive Committee. And International Day of Girl Child observed in Janda Hills, stress laid on timely marriage of girls. And now for the news in detail. Meghalaya reported 64 new cases, 2 deaths and 162 recoveries today. The state as of today has 1,052 active cases, while the death toll in the state has now reached 1,423. Meanwhile, the nation marches towards 100 crore mark of administering vaccination. Government has said that more than 96 crore 75 lakh COVID vaccine doses have been provided to states and union territories so far. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said India will have to ensure that in the 21st century, space should play an important role in uniting the world. He said India is one of the very few countries that have end-to-end capability in space. Speaking at the launch of the Indian Space Association, Modi said India has covered all aspects of space technology, space satellites, launch vehicle applications, interplanetary missions and more. The Prime Minister said major reforms happening in India today regarding space sector and space tech are due to a decisive government. Former Cabinet Minister and BJP senior leader A.L. Hek has been appointed as the member of the National Executive Committee of BJP. Speaking to reporters, Hek said his priority will be to strengthen BJP and express confidence that BJP will form government in 2023 if there is a right kind of leadership. The National Executive Committee has 80 members, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and senior leaders Lal Krishna Advani, Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal and national office bearers.
With the new dispensations, definitely we are going to strengthen the party in our states, and we are going to regrouping against what so many people also not happy with the present leadership of BJP in the state of Meghalaya. But it is our responsibility, and I feel it is my duty to ensure that everybody are coming to the party and we are working hand to hand for strengthening the party.
As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and Legal Services Week, the District Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with the Office of Superintendent of Police and Office of the District Child Protection Officer, District Child Protection Unit, West Janda Hills District, today organized the International Day of Girl Child under the banner Pan-India Awareness and Outreach. Earlier, a short awareness program was held to educate public about the importance of girl child. Resource persons from Women Police SI I. Karpran spoke about no marriage before attaining 18 years and protection from economic and social exploitation, prostitution and trafficking. Karpran also highlighted the difference between a good touch or a bad touch. Along with the rest of the world, the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, in collaboration with the Office of the District Legal Services Authority, West Khasi Hills District Nongstoin, observe the World Mental Health Day today at Nongstoin Market under the theme Mental Health in an Unequal World. H.K. Thaba, Additional Deputy Commissioner, West Khasi Hills District, graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of DSP Crime and others apart from representatives of the District Legal Service Authority. The chief guest also launched the District Mental Health Helpline number and a weekly psychiatry OPD on the occasion.
program mental health. mental health mental illness
The Border Security Force BSF today felicitated the social workers who helped the Border Security Force in providing relief to the marginalized population during the COVID pandemic. The Inspector General Meghalaya Frontier Border Security Force Inderjeet Singh Rana felicitated the social workers, which included Bimal Bajaj, Satya Narayan Beriwal, Jagdish G. Agarwal, Chotmal G. Sharma, Rameshwar Lar Sharma, Sanjeev Sharma, Deepak Verma and Sushil Jagdish Goyal. The festive season has started in Shillong as Durga Puja is all set to begin from tomorrow. While the commercial markets in the city are packed with shoppers, the festival will be observed amid the pandemic for the second consecutive year. In Shillong, idols made by the artisans are being taken to different puja pandals. The city saw the beating of drums and dance by men, women and children. The district administration has issued a detailed SOP for the devotees to follow during the celebration.
वो सीपीसी का ऑर्डर है, 10 फीट से ज़्यादा मत बनाइए और एक साथ में बनाना है, एक फ्रेम में बनाना है। इस बार हमारा 34 ऑर्डर मिला। पहले हम 50 का जैसा बनाता था, अभी इस बार 34 ऑर्डर मिला।
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 25.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 16.3 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 69% and in the evening 81%, rainfall nil. Forecast rain and thunder shower is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Meghalaya reports 64 new cases and 2 deaths. Nation marches towards vaccination of 100 crore people. India will play an important role in space to unite the world in the 21st century, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. BJP leader A.L. Hek appointed as the member of the BJP National Executive Committee. And International Day of Child observed in Giant Hill, stress laid on timely marriage of girls. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.